Yo, what's up school fans and welcome back to the vlog. Dan hari ini kita gantian nih, kita akan menuju ke FX Sudirman sebentar lagi karena kita akan ikutan untuk press conference first game ataupun juga opening night untuk IBL season 2026, yaitu antara Pelita Jaya Basketball melawan Dewa United Banten. Jadi ini adalah rematch untuk final tahun lalu. Gue hype banget sih karena cannot wait for opening night pastinya, dan nanti juga semoga kita bisa ngobrol-ngobrol dengan beberapa pemain dari Pelita Jaya dan juga pasti Dewa United. I think it's gonna be so much fun. Kalau gitu guys, once again terima kasih banyak udah tuning in untuk video kali ini, and jangan lupa untuk like, jangan lupa untuk nonton secara full, and of course jangan lupa juga untuk share video ini ke teman-teman kalian semua. And once again, thank you guys for watching and enjoy the vlog, guys.
Beda tipis, tahun lalu itu di 31, tetapi 33 ini secara kualitas kalau kita lihat ya, banyak nama-nama pemain yang sangat amat ditunggu untuk penampilan perdananya di tim barunya. Ya, jadi bukan tim yang itu-itu aja, kemudian semua tim berbenah, semua tim memiliki roster sangat baik. Hari ini kita sudah menerbitkan roster, baik pemain lokal maupun pemain asing, rasanya sangat ditunggu. Kemudian dengan adanya foreign players yang dari beberapa negara, kemudian kalibertasnya pernah main di NBA, di KBL, di B-League, di NCAA dan sebagainya, menurut statistik pemain-pemain ini sangat membantu pemain lokal kita untuk berkembang, untuk berkompetisi, dan tracknya dari tahun pertama, tahun kedua, dan insya Allah nanti tahun ketiga di home and away ini terus mendorong pemain lokal kita untuk improve. Dan di tahun kemarin itu sudah sangat banyak data-data yang ditunjukkan oleh pemain-pemain lokal kita, mereka sangat bisa berkompetisi dengan pemain asing. Jadi bukan lagi sesuatu yang sebuah tim hanya mengandalkan kategori pemain tertentu, tetapi kita sudah sangat amat yakin dengan pemain lokal kita.
Tidak apa-apa. Kita akan masuk pemain yang kedua. Boleh kembali ke tempat duduk. Boleh berikan tepuk tangan untuk Trio DC.
Malu.
Pelita Jaya Jakarta, Muhammad Arigi.
Lambang Gahar.
Sama ini juga, boleh ke tengah dulu.
Ya.
Oir boleh di tengah.
Hidupkan lebih dekat.
Dan berikutnya dari Dewa United Banten, ini dia Arki Dikania Wisnu, dan dari Pelita Jaya Jakarta Andakara Prastawa Diaksa. Kalau ini kayaknya berkali-kali memang untuk bertatap-tatapan. Nah, udah nggak terlalu kaku dan geli kan? Sip, duduk silahkan. Boleh kasih tepuk tangan untuk Dewa United Banten dan juga Pelita Jaya Jakarta.
Nah, seberapa besar dendam kamu terhadap Dewa? Dan bisa nggak dikalahin Dewa di laga perdana nanti?
Kalau dari aku sih lebih fokus ke gameplaynya kita aja. Pasti target kita buat game pertama pasti menang. Udah di situ aja. Jadi yang tahun lalu jadi lembaran baru, jadi we start fresh gitu.
Jadi tujuannya hanya menang.
Iya.
Kira-kira manifestasi apa lagi yang ingin Arigi wujudkan di IBL 2026 nanti?
Untuk di IBL 2006 ya manifestingnya pasti juara IBL. Terus kemudian semuanya sehat, tim Pelita Jaya gitu, tidak ada yang cedera, karena beberapa pemain kita juga ada yang cedera kan, jadi bisa sembuh, bisa main bareng lagi, bisa juara bareng.
Tapi Arigi sendiri udah sehat ya?
Insya Allah saya.
Oke, siap ya berarti di IBL 2026 ya?
Siap Kak.
Oke, kalau gitu lanjut Ayah.
Kan akhirnya ngerasain menang nih ya. Kalau di season sekarang, apa yang mau dibawa nih dari tahun lalu ke tahun ini?
Terutama sih pertama mental ya. Kita harus bawa mental kita waktu juara. Jadi kita udah punya champion mentality. Kita harus bawa itu di setiap pertandingan kita. Nggak boleh ada kecolongan lagi kayak tahun-tahun sebelumnya. Ya tentunya itu sih yang paling utama sih.
Coach Dev untuk Dede.
Enggak sih, biasa aja ya.
Satu kata yang paling kamu ingat dari Coach Dev kalau teriak ke kamu apa?
Go outside.
Jadi itu yang paling diinget deh? Enggak?
Let's go Dede.
Oh, let's go Dede. Ya. Oke, nah sekarang kita akan ke Pras dan juga Arki. Kita mungkin ke Arki dulu ya. Season lalu ini kan mengalahkan Pelita Jaya dan juara di rumahnya PJ gitu kan ya. Season ini akan dimulai di rumahnya Anak Dewa. Kira-kira apa yang akan dijanjikan dan ditampilkan sama Dewa United di partai pembuka nanti?
Kita cuma fokus sama kita sendiri sih. First game of the season kan kemarin kita juara. It's a new season. Kita harus defend the throne and kita akan kasih 100% buat to defend that title and kita maunya improve setiap hari until the playoffs juga.
Oke, buat Pras ini tadi ada titipan khusus pertanyaannya. Nah, dibalik sebenarnya dari pertanyaannya Arki. Kalau season lalu ini kalah gitu kan ya, dan juaranya Dewa adalah di tempatnya PJ, di rumahnya PJ. Season ini mau balas dendam nggak di kandangnya Dewa, di rumah Anak Dewa?
Targetnya sih bukan balas dendam sih ya, sama kayak tadi open season harus di open dengan baik gitu kan. Last season kita udah banyak berubah gitu, kita ada coach baru, asing baru, kita punya Dede balik dari US kan. Nah jadi itu bakal jadi hal yang baru lagi, jadi targetnya cuma satu, memulai season dengan baik.
Memulai season dengan baik, boleh kasih tepuk tangan? Satu terakhir mewakili dari Pelita Jaya ini dia, Darius Lee Bolton. Season pertamanya di Indonesia, membela Pelita Jaya Jakarta. Sudah masuk sesi bersama dengan para pemain asing dan juga head coach.
Last season, and how about playing in the Indonesian Basketball League?
My experience last year, my second season, it was a good experience for me and our team. We reached our goal, and what was your second question?
Can you tell us about the experience and how about this season?
This season, we don't know. You know, there's a lot of great players in this league, but all we have to do is just come prepared and follow our coach's game plan.
How do you see the circumstances of the league, maybe with a short period?
Selamat siang, thanks to everyone having us here. Of course, like coming to a championship team is a challenge, and this is something that has to mark our team in a positive way. So there is a pressure, but sometimes it's a pressure that we embrace as coaches, as players, and also the fact that the season opener is like the repetition of the final is also a big challenge for us. So pretty much as Coach Dave said, I think that all teams think like this, no? Taking it one step at a time, one game at a time. It's a long process, a long regular season, and at the end the playoffs will decide. So nothing but excited to be here. So far the experience in Indonesia is great people, and I'm sure that great fan base, and looking forward to watch and to play it.
Pretty much what everyone else up here said. We all have high expectations for the team going into this season. I mean, these two teams were in the finals for a reason, and as a new player and foreigner, my job is to come and hopefully help us get over the top. But I mean, like coaches said, it's a long season and a long process, and our goal is to work towards that as we get closer and closer to the playoffs. So.
Okay, and for 2026, maybe you can tell us about what challenge do you anticipate for new season and compared to previous year?
Only challenge I see is just us working on our chemistry. Like we said, we had a lot of guys with the national team, and our coach was the national team coach, so we haven't had a lot of time like the Dewa guys to kind of mesh and know each other well. So I think just getting that chemistry right is the biggest thing for us right now.
Okay, thank you so much. Good luck to everyone.
In my case, of course I watch games before signing for Dewa United. I watch games now in preseason. I still have to get familiar with the quality and the talent of the league. I think it's developing, and the fact of the 3 imports on the court will be a factor. But as Jeff said, there is a potential in the local players. I think the tempo is really high. The tempo of the game is really high, and as long as the decision making in the game gets a little bit better, not so crazy basketball, sometimes more controlled, I think the quality of the league will get better and better. And in my opinion, like this league, I think is going to be, for what I talk with some coaches, even more competitive, more close. Like every team will be able to beat each other, and that will make the league more interesting to our fans. That's for sure.
Oke, dan selanjutnya Pak Junas, Bu Rufi, Pak Fritz boleh bergabung. Oh, oke.
Alright, welcome back, Josh. We got the champ in the house.
Yeah, that's last year though. We got a game.
Jazila. How you like that nickname?
Yeah, it stuck with the fans, so I mean, it's marketing me, so I don't mind it. Let them keep saying it.
First of all, how was your off season, man?
Good, man. I really didn't have an off season. After we got done here, I had a month off. Got back to playing. Won a championship in Mexico, and then had another month off, and now I'm back here.
Another championship in Mexico?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, what a year for you.
That's 3 in a row for me right now.
Oh, damn. So you're trying to make it 4 in a row now?
Yeah, I mean, hopefully. Day by day, game by day.
But no fishing?
Nah, I didn't have no time, man. Spent some time with my son, and that was it.
When you came back here? Not yet with Rio?
Not yet. Last year, but we scheduled it. We scheduled it already, yeah.
Who got you into fishing, though?
My mom's.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we live close to the beach back in Texas, so it was a weekend thing for us. So kind of stuck with us.
Who's the better fisherman, you or Rio?
Nah, Rio. Rio knows too much. Yeah, he knows too much, all the secret sides and all that. I don't. I just fish, bait the hook, and I wait.
But now you started from the beginning of the season with Dewa United, and you got a new coach. Is there a lot of change with the new coach, or just?
To be honest, man, I haven't been around. I've only been here for a week now. I haven't really gotten to be like close enough to the coach to see what his preferences are and how his coaching is. So I'm looking forward to seeing it. And I mean, hopefully it benefits us as a team.
And what do you think about the first game? Rematch against Pelita Jaya?
Yeah, I mean, people hyping it more than what it is. I mean, it's a new season, new year. I mean, obviously none of us are going to be in our best form, so it's just the opening game. I mean, if we played them towards the end of the season, it'd be a little bit more hype because we in our highest forms. And so we're going to go out there, just play hard.
And one interesting thing is DJ Cooper came to this team, and I think you played against him before.
Yeah, I played against DJ this past season in Mexico. Yeah, they were the top team, but we beat them in it was a 2-game back-to-back. We beat them 1 and they beat us last year.
But he's an assist machine.
He's going to make our job easier. Getting the ball to all the right guys. I mean, he's a vet. He's played in the highest leagues around the world, so we trust him.
Thanks, Josh. We're looking forward, man, for you to dominate the paint again, man.
Thank you, man.
Good luck, man. Stay healthy, bro.
Brother.
We got the best content creator right now in Pelita Jaya.
Don't label me that.
Dede, what's up, Dede? How are you, man?
I'm good.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too, man.
Appreciate you, man. So, gue mau ngomongin video lu dulu sih, cause I'm very impressed. Vibes-nya asik banget sih.
Oh, really?
Dan
Thank
juga
you so
kayak
much.
transisinya tuh keren banget.
Oh, really?
Kayak cinematicnya gokil lah.
Okay.
So, how did you come with that idea, man, making videos?
Yeah, ini sih soalnya. So lately I've been seeing like on TikTok and YouTube kayak lihat cinematic. I think it's so cool. And you know what? You might as well get my own camera.
Oh, you got your own camera?
I got my own camera. Tapi cuma ini aja sih, DJI Action.
Okay, it's not bad.
Yeah, and then aku belajar dari Adis kan. He teach me a little bit and Galuh, and then and the rest is me.
Edit dia bisa ngedit sendiri loh. Editnya pakai apa?
I use DaVinci Resolve.
I have no idea what that is.
You don't know? It's some high level thing, you know.
High level tuh, alright, got you.
I'm joking.
Nggak, tapi ini apakah akan continue? You gonna do this kayak selama season, mungkin kasih kita kayak behind the scenes, atau mungkin kalau kalian lagi keluar kota gitu, atau is this gonna happen?
Yeah, I hope, yeah, at least I can post like 1 month or 2 video a month, biar nggak terlalu ini nggak fokus dari basketnya. Ya mungkin bisa lah dapat behind the scene of, you know, tapi like I be a player a little bit, makan-makan something like that, because lumayan lah 30.
Iya, lumayan lah, itu gue enjoy loh, itu udah banyak yang viral kan, udah banyak yang views-nya banyak banget.
Iya beberapa.
Humble banget ya anak. Man, coming to a new season, kayaknya role-nya lebih besar tahun ini. What are you anticipating for this season, man?
You know, new season, you know, this is my first time playing back with Ajaya after a year.
Oh yeah, after new US.
Yeah, and you know, ya tahun ini agak beda ya. Like not gonna lie, like the last 2 years we get some help from being like +1 bisa dibilang kan. And right now just coach dia bilang ya sekarang lu ini ya lu doang bisa gini kayak mano imano ya. Udah nggak ada Bean buat save us in the last second with shot that. Nggak ada, kita benar-benar kita harus semuanya harus kita gunain, the local players, the import players, so there's no more advantage like it. So yeah, we need to prepare for the next season really well. Yeah, hoping best result.
Jadi what's go outside mean?
What you mean?
What I mean, it was in the press con.
No, go outside, you know. So coach they just say, yeah, go outside
take a
and
break.
hang out,
hang out.
hang out with the team.
Tapi your new coach, your new head coach, Coach Dave, he has high expectation and has great words about you. Dia juga expect kalau lo akan have a big year. What's your thought?
Firstly, thank you, but yeah, I don't really think about that because I just wanna win, you know. Like I hope, ya cuma aku pikirin cuma juara aja sih. For me, for myself, like as long as I can help the team, like as much as I can, I'm good.
Tapi so far nih baru latihan full berapa kali nih?
Ini,
4 days? 5 days?
So 6 days.
6 days?
Yeah, 6 days full, baru.
Tapi sekarang udah mendingan lah daripada All Indonesian, right? All Indonesian Coach Dave mungkin baru ngelatih 10 hari kali. Sekarang lu udah lebih nyaman dong?
Iya. All Indonesia tuh cuma 6 hari juga malah. Sama. Iya. And then put all the system kan, Coach Dave kan terkenal sistemnya ya. And jujur pas itu, nggak nangkep semua. Kepalaku agak ngebul aku pas All Indonesia ya. Soalnya harus ngerti gitu kayak analogi dia baru semua, terus semua playnya juga ya beda lah. Ya, jadi pas ya Indonesia tuh lumayan agak lemot sih akunya buat adjustnya.
Tapi kan waktu itu lu disuruh menjadi point guard juga kan?
Iya,
kayak
gitu.
You're not used to it, right?
I know. Ya tapi ya gara-gara saya nikah.
Iya.
Saya nikah. Terus siapa lah? Reza cedera, Regi harus main 4. So there's a lot of things.
Tapi kalau sekarang ini lu disuruh main point guard lagi nanti gimana?
I know.
Is it in the plan? Kalau lagi practice?
There's some of the play that kayak mungkin ada beberapa yang mungkin aku harus bawa bola biar the import to play. So there's some plays definitely.
Okay. I'm excited to watch you, man.
Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, man. Keep making videos, ya.
Hey, thank you so much. Support.
Yes, sir. Follow. Hendrik, apa ya?
And then Salvi on TikTok.
Instagramnya apa?
Hendrik.x, yeah.
Yes, sir. Have a good year, ya.
Have
a good year. Appreciate you, man. I'll see you next week. Behind the scenes, Dewa United photo shoot. Foto keluarga dulu, guys. Sebelum season mulai. Siapa yang mukanya paling sangar, guys? Komen ya di bawah ya, guys. Yang mukanya paling sangar. All Jordan.
6 rings.
6 rings.
We've got to pass it to them.
We got my boy Patrick Nicholas. What up, bro?
What up?
What up, man? Gue baru selesai ngobrol sama Dede tadi. First, awkward stare down, and then I was asking him about what's the go outside. What? I asked him, what's go outside mean? Patrick and I share the same story.
Man, it was a hell of an experience, bro. Like being with one of the best coaches. I mean, I know. We share the same backstory. I feel him.
They awkward banget tadi. Pas stare down.
I was like,
you can't even hold your laugh, bro.
Yeah. I was like, yo, did he watch us? I was like,
Man, okay, serius.
Okay.
Obviously, Caleb bakal absen dulu. I don't know sampai kapan. So, are you expecting a bigger role, or how are you preparing for this season, man?
I just got back from the SEA Games, so everything is new. I've been practicing only for like almost 2 weeks. I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Expecting bigger role, of course, but expect the unexpected. I'll be ready for everything. Just everything that the coach tell me to do, I'm gonna do it.
It's time to shine, man. It's your time, man. It's your time, man. It's your time.
Amen. No expectation there.
No expectation. Jadi berapa kali nih latihan sama Coach Julbe?
I think it's been like almost 2 weeks or a week. I don't know. Yeah, probably like a week, more than a week.
Banyak perbedaan nggak sih antara dia sama Coach Pablo?
Perbedaan pertama, the days off is random. We can go straight like 7 days without days off, and then the days off is like on Wednesday, or like on Monday. So there's a thing. The second one is he wants us to read the game better. So it's like it's your decision. You gotta, if your man's cutting, like you have to cut or no. It's like there's no like. Kalau Pablo kan ada kayak you gotta do this, you gotta do that. It's like you gotta read the game more.
Damn. So you need a good basketball IQ.
Yeah. That's what he expected from us.
Wow, that's the first time I heard that. But, Pat, kan ini nggak ada off season. Basically for you, there's no off season, right?
For me and for Tirta, there's no off season.
How's your body, man?
I mean, screaming to vacation, man.
You did, bro. You did. You had one.
Yeah, I have one.
Yeah.
And I meet Dede over there, so there's no vacation. I was like, what the doing here, bro?
Arki, temen lu interviewnya parah banget. Izin, anjing gue baru sadar. Ternyata you were on that live stream, huh?
Yeah. Shout out to Big Mo, bro.
Gue baru tau pas dari kayak gitu, ternyata that's the trend.
Yeah.
But lu kan gak ada off season, so how can you improve your game then? Kalau dulu kan gue sering liat lu ada kayak off season workout kan?
I don't know, maybe being in the national team, it's like one of the biggest like mata gue kebuka, it's like eye opener.
Jangan jauh-jauh,
It's like eye opener, it's like doing the extra workout, like the vitamins, the early workouts. It's my off season. And learning from the best of the best, like Kapras, Bram, how they handle the pressure, how they workout routine. That's my off season.
And then you gain a UPH brother, yeah?
Yeah.
And Lau. How is he so far, man?
He been off like 2 years, but it's fun, seeing him around here in the basketball environment again. So there's a lot of memories, bring back memories, and yeah, he's been great.
Kalau kata Josh, buat aja ya, lo agree apa nggak? Kata Josh, don't hype the game on Saturday too much, karena it's your first game katanya.
Yeah. I agree. Just don't treat them more than just like you know what I'm saying. Like it's an opening game. Obviously we gotta win, but it's not the final. Yeah, that's my mindset.
Bakal pack banget sih.
Yeah, of course.
Nih lo sama Dede, lo liat Dede videonya keren lo. Dede lo bentar lagi jadi konten creator juga dong. Lo jadi konten creator dong.
Nah. He always do something extra, bro. I don't know why. But that's my brother, though.
Yeah, that's our dog, bro.
That's our dog, bro.
Man, Pat, good luck, man. Stay healthy, man. Always fun with you, man. Always fun.
Thank you.
Now we got Coach David Singleton.
Yes, sir.
How excited, man? 2026.
Ready to go, man. Exciting times, new team, same motivation, same passion, but I'm really happy to be with the boys and can't wait to get going.
So Patrick and Dede just shared. Go outside.
You know what? It's one of my tactics.
Okay.
It's not used all the time, but they know why it's used.
Okay. But they were like, I think they were honored and also had so much fun being coached by you in the SEA Games. But Coach Dave, how hard it is to instill your DNA right now to a new locker room?
It's not easy. I'll be honest. There's a lot of habits, and to be honest, they've been really successful. So it's hard to tell somebody who's winning so much, say, hey, we got to kind of do it a little bit more like this. But they know that I've won, and they know my pedigree, and they know my background. So I think the biggest thing is building belief and trust within each other, and that doesn't happen overnight. That happens over time. But I think the boys are really buying into it. They've been great players, great people, great teammates so far, and I think if we keep going up the way that we're going, I see really, really big things for us.
Do you feel this is like a unique situation where obviously you're off the national team, you only had probably 6 complete practice days?
Yes.
Maybe before the
Yes.
season starts. So how challenging it is to play, and of course you play day one in the first game.
Yeah, you know, it's really challenging. Obviously, the league wants to do it this way, as they should, and get the fandom and everybody getting excited for it, so we understand it. But we just got to look at it as a game. You know, it's just a game. It's the first game of the season. There's going to be mistakes from both teams. There's going to be mistakes from the referees. There's going to be mistakes from everybody. And so we just have to approach it in our way and how we play the game the way we want to play. And just understand that, you know, the championship won't be won in the first game. Although it's important, the championship will not be won in the first game, and we just have to stick to our process. But I like where we're at. We're obviously not a finished product. I was just saying that we need to see how we get over time. But as of right now, I like where we're at.
I mean, you added Lansun, I think. That was the latest recruitment. How easy right now meshing with your system?
He's doing great. Linson's a high IQ player, so it was really nice to get him over from the Hawks. I've been liking Linson for a long time. The biggest thing is just him getting the habits away from what he used to do and trying to build them over with us and being with a team with a bunch of really good players and national team players. I think it's all new for him, but he's been doing really well and showing up really well in some of our scrimmages, and I'm excited for what we can get from Linson.
And of course you got Jeff coming back, but this is your first year with him.
Yep.
You got Darius Monon, and of course you got Amari.
Yeah.
How well do you know all these guys right now?
Pretty well. I think I spent a good amount of time with them. I've been watching a lot as well when I was away. We have a lot of open conversation, so I like that all 3 of these players are very high IQ. They've had all European experience, and so that's very important to me, just understanding systems. And so they've been really, really a pleasure and a delight for me so far. There's always going to be more to do. Darius mentioned the chemistry piece. That can't happen tomorrow. It's going to just keep building. But the willingness they have to pass the ball, share the ball, play within the system, as well as making plays and scoring, I like the combination of the 3 players.
I mean, the squad is star-studded, you know. You got Arigi coming back, and Wado probably coming back soon, either in February or March. And all the guards, Ras, Agassi, Dede. How hard it is to coach this team?
You know, it's coming off the national team, I have a little bit of experience of having a lot of good players and having to mix and match and sub them. But I don't think it's nothing like this, to be honest. And I feel like this is a situation where I have to make sure that I understand that, you know, it's really about what's best for the team. You know, the player, we want to get as many guys as we can in, but ultimately it's going to be who's playing the best and who's rolling and who's helping the team out the most. And that's going to be the hardest job for me, and obviously continuing to have the trust in the players to, sometimes you might have to sit down, sometimes you might play 30 minutes. You just never know how it's going to go.
Do you feel with the 3 imports on the floor, teams will use, or maybe Pelita will use a lot of, can they use small lineups?
Yeah, I think so. I think we have the flexibility with Darius to play multiple positions, and then we obviously have some bigs that can play multiple positions and guards and things like that. So I just think we have a lot of options. We can go small, we can go big, we can do a lot of different things, and I think Darius Moten changes the game for us when it comes to playing both wing and post.
But how important is the first 5 games? Because we only have 20 games, right?
Yes.
How important
It's
is that?
extremely important. I mean, we cannot say that every game it doesn't count because it does. I think it does, and it's different from 26 games or 30 games or whatever. It's 20 games. I think after 10 games to 12 games, you're going to know who's in the playoff. That's how crazy it is when you really dumb it down to that. So the first 5 games are massive. Every game is massive, and we're trying to start off high.
Year 6 for you in Indonesia or year 5? 7? No way! No way!
This is year 7. Specific Caesar, Bima Perkasa, 4 years Bandung, and now Pelita Jaya.
That's so fast.
7. It is. I think we just was meeting, back in the day, and so it is moving quick. I try to stay in the moment, but it is moving quick.
As a coach, this is your 7th year. How can you keep learning about new stuff?
Yeah, that's always the challenge, and that's something that I got to push myself on. Is I have a mentor, I have outlets that I can go reach out to help me, because Indonesia can get very isolated. It's not like the States where you can go from California to Texas to New York and learn from all these people. You're just in Indonesia, and you're really just in Jakarta most of the time. So we have to always push ourselves to challenge ourselves. One of the things we do as coaches is we push learning and making sure that we're always learning, whether it's reading or having a mentor or talking to people. And that's the biggest thing for me, is to continue to challenge myself and learn. Sometimes the season doesn't give you time to do that. Our schedule is year-round, but we try to get it as much as we can, and it's important for not only pushing the player growth, but the coaches making sure that they grow.
I mean, your schedule is crazy. SEA Games, Pelita Jaya, and then Asian Games.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Absolutely, back to back to back. So I'm gonna try to find a pocket of window in there to get some free time, but ultimately the job is the job, and I'm trying to do my best.
And do you feel this is gonna be your toughest season yet?
I think so. I think just because of the challenge of the team that we have. I mean, maybe not necessarily the competition, because the competition is always gonna be tough, but just managing this roster and making sure that everybody's playing. But I'm loving it. I told you guys before, this is what I want. I wanted this challenge, and I'm going to do whatever I can to be the best at it.
All right.
Thanks, man.
Best wishes, man,
Appreciate
for
it.
2020 season.
Let's go.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you guys.
Please join my channel, guys.